Really not much to what we're going to do today on the Dream project. I just need to make a bracket that we're going to weld up and put in the next time Gab's out here working on it with me. So let me get set up and we'll make that bracket up. We're going to cut a piece out of this piece of sheet metal. I really have no idea how thick it is. It's that thick. Anyways, going to cut out this strip here, and this is what we're going to make the bracket out of. So ooh, that's hot. Ooh, it's cooler down at that end. There we go. We'll weld a captive nut on the bottom, and then we'll have holes here in the end where we can ow, that is hot. Ooh, that's warm. Yeah, where we can weld it onto the frame. We'll just plug weld that in. So there we go. Let's just finish cutting that out, bend it up. I'm going to tighten this down so it's sitting right in the position that we want it in. And then I'm going to get a measurement across to see where we have to put those bends. Yeah. There we go. Those are snug. Okay. Now, how far apart? I want to know the distance there, because that's where we'll be welding on the inside of here, right where it's doubled up. This is a nice thick bracket. Don't have to worry about burning through this thin sheet metal that the rest of the frame is made out of. So we'll measure right across the top on each one of those, and that will give us what we need, because those seem fairly parallel too. So, and we can tweak the angle a little bit to get it to fit just right before we weld it in. So, all right, let me pop this out. We'll get a measurement. We'll get the lines marked, holes drilled, bends, all the happy stuff. So, all right, here we go. But I think that's going to give us a close enough measurement. So let's see what we have there again. 5.23. That looks like 5 1/4 to me. Let's make it 5 1/4 inches in the center. I think that'll work out good for us. A little dollop there. Boop. There we go. And that's the last one. Bring that off. Nice. Just going to touch those up on the bench grinder, get them nice and smooth, and then we'll bend those 90s in there. There we go. We got the piece. Now, approximately where it's going to be. Now let's try my theory of goodness. Oh yeah, see? See what I mean? Okay, and then this piece here needs to come up about like that. Right up. Shouldn't have matter, shouldn't matter. Oh. And there we go. So all we're going to do is, next time Gab and I are out in the shop, she wanted to do a little bit of welding, so she is going to weld a captive nut, this here nut on the bottom of this bracket, and then she's going to plug weld these two sides here, and then this whole electronics tray section, that'll be all done. And then we can move on. It's coming along, slow but sure, guys, it'll get done. As long as it's done by summer, we'll be good, right? I think that's what I said last year. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching. Let me just run it on the wire wheel really quick, and we'll see what it looks like. I've welded on that captive nut, did a great job. It's going to hold just fine. No worries. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a wire wheel. I'm going to clean up these a little bit, and then I'm just going to weld in this bracket.
Don't do it. Go.
That's it.
Where are they? This over
On
here.
the bottom in there, and then on the bottom on this side, I still gotta brush this side.